Hi guys, it's Jenna with Media Hope. I think we can all agree that it's better to learn from other people's mistakes than to make our own. With this said, I want to talk about social media and how it's affecting public relations. In 2009, a video was posted to YouTube showing Domino's employees preparing food in unsanitary and disgusting ways. By the time Domino's took action to get the video removed, the video had over 1 million views. Things got really bad because Domino's wasn't monitoring social media. In 2012, McDonald's had a similar problem with bad press via social media. McDonald's started a hashtag campaign on Twitter. One of their hashtags was McD Stories. They wanted fans of McDonald's to share their good McDonald's experiences with other users. Unfortunately, tweeters used the hashtag to share less than complimentary stories. Unlike Domino's, though, McDonald's was on top of things and removed the hashtag within hours of the bad tweets. Some companies are using social media well, but they could be breaking the rules. In January, Snickers ran a PR campaign in the UK using celebrities and Twitter. Celebrities would tweet something out of character to get their followers' attention, and then they would follow the tweet with a picture of themselves eating a Snickers bar. For example, English soccer player Rio Ferdinand tweeted, "Really getting into knitting. Helps me relax after high-pressure world of the Premiership." Soon after the knitting tweet, Ferdinand tweeted a picture of himself with a Snickers bar, revealing the odd tweet to be a joke. Unfortunately, Snickers is now under investigation for breaching advertising codes in the UK. Though their image wasn't tarnished, they may have not been using social media properly. A similar situation happened with Oprah. She tweeted that people with Nielsen boxes should turn to her network. Nielsen threatened not to count those ratings towards her network because she was soliciting ratings through Twitter. So with the power that social media has, we have to learn how to utilize it correctly, but also how to react if things go wrong. Because in the social media world, a lot of the control is in the hands of the users. So what do you think? Where should the ethics line be drawn when using social media to promote your company? And how could these companies have done a better job?